Hello, my name is Ian and today I'll be demonstrating Project 1 for CS428 at UIC. So I currently have my project open here in Unity, as you can see here. And so essentially what this project is all about is it's an augmented reality app meant to be played on mobile devices. Of course, obviously I have it open here in the Unity editor right now for simplicity's sake in recording all of this, but it's meant to be played on a mobile device. And so what it does is, using your device's camera, it should be able to detect special patterns in these printed paper cubes that I have here with me today, and overlay these cubes on top of them. So these are essentially souvenir-like knickknacks. And so, as we can see here, this first knickknack is meant to come from Gundam Factory Yokohama, which is a Gundam-related attraction in Japan. So as you can see here, I have a Gundam here in a very funny pose on a pedestal, and around him are iconic weapons from the Gundam franchise. So here we have a shield, a rifle, and a beam saber. And so all of these will be animated when the app is running. But you can also see here we have a placeholder for the time, the local time at the attraction, and on the other side we have a spot for the weather. And if we move on over here to the second cube, this is a cube depicting the attraction Hamhang Pangpang, which is a theme cafe in Korea. And so it's themed around works by Project Moon, which is a game company in Korea. And so as you can see, it's much the same here. We have a weather marker and a time marker here, and these will update in real time to whatever the current weather or time at that location is. And here, as models, we can see our first model here is a character named Gabura. So, robot with a nice big sword. And we have another character here named Malkuth. And so, in her hand she has a notepad and a pencil. And finally over here we have an enemy known as Doubt. And so all three of these are from the game Lobotomy Corporation, which was made by Project Moon. Okay, so if we move on to a live demonstration, let me turn on my webcam. Hello. So here of course I have the two cubes, and so if I hold them up to the camera like this, takes a little while to track. Yep, there we go. And so you can see that it's tracking along with the cube roughly. And so here we have of course the temperature. So currently it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit and rainy. And over here we have the local time, so 10:50 a.m. And of course you can see my glorious Gundam model breakdancing. Excellent. And so another cool feature about these cubes is that if you turn them upside down and then turn them back up, you can see the lighting has changed to these like nice multicolored disco lights. And I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it also plays music, which is pretty nice. Oh, I lost tracking there for a second. And then if we turn this cube upside down and back up again, it'll stop. Here we have the Hamhang Pangpang cube. And so, as you can see here, 20 degrees Celsius with clouds. And it's 10:51 a.m. And the neat thing about this cube is that if I turn it upside down and right back up, it'll start playing a nice warning theme. And so this is actually from the original game's OST. It's the second warning. So as you can see, there's in the corner it says second trumpet, and there's 2 exclamation points, so that's where that's from. It also has a really cool theme. So yeah, If I turn this upside down, and then it'll stop. Alright, thanks for watching.